This week is not just another week. A woman pours out everything she has in worship before Jesus. Something sacred begins. Words are spoken that still echo today. Truth that comforts and confronts. And then silence. A heart burns, a friend betrays, and darkness begins to move. A table is prepared. Bread is broken and a cup is shared, and a promise is given. A cross is lifted and everything changes. This Holy Week, don't just hear the story, step into it. Join us each evening at Holy Week at 7 p.m. live on Zoom.